Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to make barcodes in Excel. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open our Excel document with the text we want to turn into barcodes. Once we have done that, we will go to our browser and search for ID Automation Code 39. We will click on the first link and then click on download. This is the Barcode Font that we will use. Once it's downloaded, you can open WinRAR. Click on the folder and then double click on the font. Now we just have to click on install. Once that's done, we will go back to the Excel document and in the corresponding cell we will type an equal sign, quotes, parentheses, quote again, and ampersand. Now we will click on the cell of the text we want to change and close with ampersand, quotes, parentheses, quotes, and enter. After all that, we will drag the format to the next cells and finally we will go to the font section and locate the ID Automation font. We will select it and that's it. This is how we can make barcodes in Excel. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.